Are you ready to turn your ideas into a STEM website without any coding? Discover how Canva's intuitive design tools can help you create a professional online presence in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, building a beautiful site has never been easier. Join us and unleash your creativity with Canva today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to build a website on Canva. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, so Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create visually appealing websites with ease. With its drag and drop interface, a wide array of customizable templates and design elements, Canva enables users to build professional-looking web pages without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online business quickly and creatively, whether for personal projects, portfolios, or business needs. Alright? So to get started, you have just to come back to the top and you have just to click over sign up and you create an account. You'll find another page which is this one, as you can see. Also, we have the other option. If you already have an account, you have just to click over home and you'll find this page. All right, so here we have it. Right now we have just to click over searching content and you search for websites. So then you have just to find this page or this template, as you can see. Right, so you have just to click over seal like that, and then you'll find all the templates, as you can see. Alright, as you can see, for example, let's just select this one and you click over customize this template. But first, let's just, for example, click over all filters and I will select the category that I want. For example, if it's depending to the business, social media. Also, we have education here, and also we have video, marketing. Then we have here print products, cards and invitations. Then we have here the style, if it's modern, minimalist, simple, professional, colorful, animated. Then we have here the theme, if it's black, business, corporate, pink, photo, website. Then we have the language here, feature as well, and also we have the grade here, subject, topic, the price, and we have the color as well. Then you click over apply and you get started. So for example, I will just select this one and I will click over customize this template and you'll find other page which is this one, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just modify all these things, such as this title, for example. Also we have here this one, and also we have other things, and also we have this one and this one. You have just to modify all this website and you have just to keep whatever you want, or the one who is important, or the one you like. For example, I like this one, I will just keep it, or I will just save it. All right, then in the left you will find here the option of design. If you want to just search for the template, for example, and as you can see, then we have here, we have if you want elements, for example, here we have it, and also we have the option of text. If you want to add a heading and a subheading or magic write, I will show you all this. Then we have here the option of print templates. If you want to add logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons. Then we have when upload something, you can just click over here to upload whatever you want from your computer. Also, we have here the option of recording yourself. You'll find here other page which is this one, as you can see. So we have to start recording. 3, 2, 1, and you start recording. Then you have just to click over save and exit. Once you're done, firstly you have to click over done, then you have to click over save. So with this recording is for the first one. If you click over this one, you have just to start recording again. All right, as you can see, then you have about this one, and then you have just to go to the next one and record whatever you want. If you don't like, or if you just keep the last one without any recording, you have just to click over done and let it this one. Then you have just to click over exit studio and you select here exit without saving or save and exit. So I'll just click over exit without saving. Then we have here the option of drawing. You have just to select the color that you want and you start drawing. Then we have one a project, applications. Then you have QR code. For example, if you select the option for QR code, you have just to enter your URL and then you will find your QR code, and someone if just scan your code, he will find the thing that you want. All right, right now let's just designing our website. So I will just delete this one. I will just go to the elements and I will add, for example, shirts like that. Then for example, I will select this one. For example, let's just search for a shirt. We'll just select here the option of graphics or photos as well. As you can see, here we have it right now. So let's just search for a shirt I will just select, for example, this one. I'll put it here. As you can see, I'll modify the size, put it like that. And also we have here other options. You can just click left, and you have just to select, for example, if you don't want this background and to place it on the background, I will select here the background. For example, I will select here the same color of this one. I will select this background, and then I will add a photo of this girl. Right, as you can see. Then also we have here other things, like if you want to just come back, you click over here, and here we have it as how it looks. Right now I will just go to the text and I will add a heading. I'll put it here in the size 42, for example, and I'll put it here, as you can see. Alright, then you will just modify the size, the color, and I will get started. Also we have here the option of buy now, shop all. I will delete it because I don't like it. Also about this one, and then I will just add whatever I want. For example, I will add also, for example, Gmail email. As you can see, for example, I will just go to the graphics and I will select email like that, and I will put it here, as you can see, and I will add my email here. Also I will just add my Instagram, and let's just search, for example, this one. As you can see, like that. And I will add my Instagram here by just go to the text, and I will add also here my phone here. We'll just click over here, call. I will find this graphic, for example, this one. I'll put it here. About this one, I'll put the head in here. I will add my Instagram here, as you can see. Also about this one, I'll put it here. Also this one. And right now I will just go to the text, and I will click over add a little bit of body text, and I will just put it here. I will just add another one for the Gmail. Then I will add another one. There we have it. Right now you can just write your Instagram and your email, and then we have the phone number. Also here we have, we'll add the localization if you want, and other information. Also you can put it in the last page or in the first page. You can also put the price here and other things. So this is how you can create your website, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.